Hello guys, welcome to Penetration Testing channel. My name is Vijay. Today we are going to learn about vulnerability assessment on Linux operating systems. So this can be done by using Lynis, which is a open source security auditing tool which is default available in Kali Linux. So I am going to show that in this video. So Linux is a open source tool which is default available in Kali. Even you can install in any Linux operating systems from GitHub official website. You can type GitHub and Linux or security auditing tool, then you can get it. So here we can go for the practicals in Linux operating system. So type Linux -h, you will get the details of Linux or Linux tool. So we have plenty of options and commands. So first we have to go with the show option, Linux space show, to know which are the options available in the Linux tool to do the security audit in machines. So these many options will be there in Linux. So we can go with the different options. Linux show, Linux show commands, show options, show tests related to that. Now first I am showing about Linux space show space host IDs, which will show the installed host ID of the Linux tool in the Kali Linux operating system. So Linux space show space options. So Linux show space options. This will help us which options are available in Linux tool so that we can perform security audit on Kali operating system. So these are the options like -configure, -crunch, -verbose. These are many options, you can try one by one. So now I am showing some of them. Linux space show space test, so that we can see the previously performed test, which is vulnerability assessment on existing system. So these many tests by default performs by Linux tool in any system. So it will check whether this is properly configured or any loopholes are available or any vulnerability, so that to define the security levels of the operating system in any Linux. So these are the different tests will be there. Now you can check Linux space reports, Linux show space reports. If we done previously, so it will show those reports where it will be available. Using that path, you can see the what is the analysis done by Linux tool, what are the loopholes available, everything. So it shows Linux report.dat. So go for the next command, Linux space show space settings. It will show the details of Linux which it has configured. So if you want to change, you can change. These are the different settings available in the Linux tools, which is 0, everything, language, everything you can modify whenever you want. So next go with the update, Linux space update, and it will have check. So we can go for sub options, Linux space update space check. It will check the whether latest updates are there for this tool in the internet or not. If there, we can go for the update. So it will checking now. Linus space update space check. This is the command. So currently it is checking, update is available. I am using 4 months old Linux operating Lynis tool, so we can update using commands, even using GitHub website. Now I am using terminal apt-get hyphen in space install space hyphen f Lynis. It will check the repositories. Presently repositories are not available in my system, so that's why it is not unable to download. No problem, I will explain with the default. This is the tool Lynis space show space command, which are the commands available in the Linux tool. So we can go for the major commands. Lynis space audit, so it will show the sub options to the audit. So we can use system or doc file. Presently doc file is not available. We can go with the system. It will check the vulnerabilities. Lynis space audit space system. Whenever we use this command, it will start performs and identify the OS whichever tests previously we seen. Using those tests, it will check the vulnerabilities, everything. So process is going on. So it takes some time to scan overall systems. So it see as test is performing on /bin /bin are found. So it will check the directory paths and whatever the software is installed, not installed, disable, enable. These are the, by this we can know which are useful for us for the security level, in the network level or in the host level, to secure our data. So this will mostly helpful to protect our data in the LAN systems. So it is perform. Even we have some more options that I will explain now. Everything is going on. Once the auditing is done, it will save the report file where previously I shown using Lynis space show space report. You can analyze by them from there. Even you can see the logs from the where log location, which is from file manager. So I open file explorer and home folder, and you have to go to the computer and here where location, then log. Here let's check what is the file names which is Lynis tool created. Okay, here Lynis.log and Lynis report.dat. So here are the files. These are the log file which is performed by the auditing system command, and these are the logs which are created by Lynis tool, permissions, whatever is process was done. Even this is the report which it identifies from the Kali operating system, because I performed in Kali operating system. So we can go for the penetration testing also. Lynis space hyphen q. Capital Q means quick, it performs quick operation, and small q means quiet, it will not show any results in the terminal. So this is the command. It will internally automatic scans with no effects, anything. It will not show anything on the screen, as it I mentioned quiet and quick option. So it will scan as soon as it will connected. So it takes time, that's why I interrupted. Even you can go with the other command. These are the commands: Lynis space hyphen q pen test. So these are the commands which will help to audit on any Linux operating system. Okay, if you want this Lynis tool commands and description, you can go with the video description part. You can find the links and commands, everything, so that you can understand better way, and you can get that commands which you can run in your system to check the vulnerabilities of your system. So here is performing is done. Now penetration testing is going on. Auditing, now it is checking network level IPv6, IPv4. So using these commands we can enable which tools are available, so that we can configure a better security for the operating system. So this was done. Even it will give the linux.log, linux-report. So using these reports we can give to our security. Okay, that's all for this video. If you like this video, please like. If you have any queries, give a comment so that I can give the response to you. And for more updates, please subscribe my channel so that you will get any latest videos. Thank you.